Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to install Kali Linux in Windows. For that, we need some requirements. Minimum 8GB or 16GB RAM and 15 to 20GB free space in your hard disk and VirtualBox to run Kali Linux. And finally, Kali Linux ISO file. Now, in these requirements, we need to install last two applications, that is VirtualBox and Kali Linux ISO file. So open browser, then search Kali Linux ISO file. So we can see this is the first website, then click on this. Here we can see this is the installer images, then go to here 64-bit. Okay, this version is especially for 64-bit. So I think so many Windows users have 64-bit, right? So that's why we are going to install this one. So just click on this installer and select desktop, then create a new folder, then name it as a Kali Linux VM, right? Then open this folder, then save it here. Now you can see it's installing. So kindly wait 5 to 10 minutes to install this one. After download this Kali Linux ISO file, then go to browser again. Now search here VirtualBox. Now this is the first website you can see there. Then click on it. Now download. Then here we can see multiple options. We are using Windows, right? That's why we click on this Windows host, then desktop. Save it as it is in this same folder, Kali Linux VM. Then click on save. Now this one also downloaded. Then close this browser and go to this folder. Now we can see these are the two applications, right? Then open this VirtualBox. Just double click on this. And yes, now install this one, right? So click on next, then I accept the terms of the license agreement, then next, then choose your location where to install this one. Click on next. Here you can see warning, network disconnection. So simply click on yes, then next, install. So literally this installation process will take some time. Then finally click on finish button. Now this is the interface of Oracle VirtualBox Manager, right? Then here click on new button. Then name it as Kali Linux. Now here we need to choose ISO image file, right? Simply click on this arrow button, go to others, then desktop, Kali Linux VM, then select this ISO file. Click on open. Then we can see tick mark. Then click on next and choose a specific virtual machine hardware. So allot the size of RAM memory you want to allocate to the virtual machine, right? So this 2084 MB is recommended. So I choose. So I doubled it, no problem. Simply click on next button. Virtual machine is a Kali Linux folder, this one, ISO image. Okay, fine. Simply finish. Up to now, just we add ISO file image file to this virtual machine, right? Simply click on this start button. Now close this tab and maximize this and select graphical install, right? Don't show again, cancel. So graphical install. So here we use only keyboard, right? So by clicking arrow buttons, so click on enter. Now we can use here mouse. So click on English. So here select your desired language and hit enter and continue. The next step is to select a country, territory or area. So select your respective one, then click on continue. Then here the next step is to configure your key map. So confirm the key map. So just I click on American English, then continue. Then here it is asking for a host name. So enter the same. So I think host name, I give this my name. So click on continue. So the next step is enter the domain name of your choice. You may leave it blank also. So no problem. I give Sammy, right? Then click on continue. Now new user Santosh, right? Sorry. then click on continue. Then again here you can see username for your account. So username, okay, select continue. Here enter a strong password for your Linux OS, right? So simply select your password, then re-enter that password, click on continue. Here we can select a time zone, right? So no problem, there is a default time zone for the Linux machine, no problem. So simply click on continue. Now click on the manual option and press continue button. So confirm. Now here select the free space. So this is the VirtualBox hard disk, right? So then simply click on this, then continue. So here create new empty partition table. Okay. Click on yes, then continue. Now we can see here the free space. Select this one, then continue. Now create a new partition, right? So click on this and continue. Then new partition size is at 26.8 GB. So okay, continue. So here click on logical option. Okay, logical option, then continue. So finally click this done setting of the partition. Okay, continue. Now just simply finish partition settings, then continue. So here no, continue, then again. Now here wait for a few minutes for the Kali system to be installed in a VirtualBox, right? So here you can choose customize, you can customize also. So no problem, click on continue. Now the next option is to select where to install the grub bootloader to the same master boot record or not. So simply click on yes. Okay. Then continue. And again here you can select this one, WSDA, then continue. So this will start installing the Linux OS and will take a few minutes to completely install the same. Okay. And also it will be reboot after the successful completion of the installation. Then now continue. Okay. Once the complete process is finished successfully, it will automatically restart. Okay. So booting in towards 1 second. Okay, no problem. Now this is your Linux OS. So simply select here your username, then password. Okay, click on login. This is the interface of your Kali Linux main interface, right? So now here go to terminal, then update it. Sudo apt update, right? So password. So this is the complete installation of this Kali Linux. And here we can also minimize this one. Okay, minimize, and you can use here your Windows and go to your VirtualBox. Here you can see use Kali Linux. So both at a time you can use Windows plus this Kali Linux operating system. And also there is some dual booting process, and that dual booting process we'll see in further videos, right? If you have any doubts in this session, simply comment in this video.